India's culinary landscape is as rich and varied as its culture, with each region offering its own unique dishes and culinary traditions. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 most popular foods that showcase the deliciousness of Indian cuisine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some mouth-watering delights. Let's begin it. Number 10. Rasgulla. Finally, we conclude our culinary journey with a sweet treat from the eastern state of West Bengal, rasgulla. These soft and spongy cottage cheese balls are soaked in a light sugar syrup infused with fragrant rose water or cardamom, creating a delightful melt-in-your-mouth experience. Whether enjoyed during festivals, celebrations, or simply as a dessert after a meal, rasgulla is a timeless classic that never fails to satisfy a sweet tooth. Number 9. Samosa. No list of popular Indian foods would be complete without mentioning the humble samosa. These crispy, triangular pastries are filled with a spicy mixture of potatoes, peas, and aromatic spices, then deep-fried until golden brown. Served hot with tamarind chutney or mint sauce, samosas are a beloved snack across India, enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Number 8. Dhokla. Venturing into the western state of Gujarat, we have dhokla, a savory steamed cake made from fermented rice and chickpea flour. Light and fluffy in texture, dhokla is seasoned with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies, offering a perfect balance of flavors. Often served as a snack or appetizer, dhokla is not only delicious but also nutritious, making it a popular choice for health-conscious eaters. Number 7. Pani Puri. Returning to the streets of Mumbai, we have Pani Puri, a beloved Indian street food snack that's as fun to eat as it is delicious. Also known as Golgappa or Puchka in different regions, Pani Puri consists of hollow, crispy puris filled with a spicy and tangy mixture of tamarind water, chickpeas, potatoes, and spices. With its explosion of flavors and textures, Pani Puri is a must-try experience for anyone visiting India. Number 6. Rogan Josh. Now, let's delve into the aromatic flavors of Kashmir with Rogan Josh, a traditional lamb curry that's as rich in history as it is in taste. Slow cooked with a blend of Kashmiri spices, including fennel, ginger, and cinnamon, Rogan Josh is known for its vibrant red color and tender, melt-in-your-mouth meat. Served with steamed rice or naan, this hearty dish is a true culinary masterpiece that will leave you craving more. Number 5. Vada Pav. Heading west to the bustling streets of Mumbai, we have Vada Pav, often referred to as the Indian burger. This beloved street food consists of a deep-fried potato fritter, vada, sandwiched between a soft bun, pav, slathered with spicy chutneys. Bursting with flavor and packed with crunch, Vada Pav is the ultimate on-the-go snack for busy city dwellers and food enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Chole Bhature. Coming back to the north, we have chole bhature, a popular street food dish that's as flavorful as it is filling. Chole, or spicy chickpea curry, is served alongside bhature, deep-fried fluffy bread, creating a mouth-watering combination of textures and flavors. Whether enjoyed as a hearty breakfast or a satisfying lunch, chole bhature never fails to delight with its bold spices and comforting warmth. Number 3. Butter chicken. Moving on to the north, we have butter chicken, a creamy and indulgent dish that has won hearts around the world. Tender chicken pieces are marinated in a spiced yogurt mixture, grilled or roasted, and then simmered in a rich tomato and butter sauce. Served with fluffy naan or fragrant basmati rice, butter chicken is a must-try for anyone craving a taste of authentic Indian cuisine. Number 2. Masala dosa. Next up, we have the iconic South Indian dish, masala dosa. This crispy, golden crepe made from fermented rice and lentil batter is stuffed with a savory potato filling and served with coconut chutney and tangy sambar. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, masala dosa is a favorite comfort food for many Indians, known for its delicious taste and satisfying texture. Number 1. Biryani. We kick off our list with the king of Indian dishes, biryani. This aromatic rice dish is a flavorful blend of spices, basmati rice, and marinated meat, usually chicken, mutton, or beef, cooked to perfection. Each region in India has its own version of biryani, such as the fragrant Hyderabadi biryani or the rich and spicy Kolkata biryani. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, there's a biryani for everyone, making it a beloved dish across the country.